I'm already sweating. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I really appreciate it. Before you go, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Today's video is going to be a SHEIN haul. I am freaking excited. SHEIN does have a plus size section. I remember ordering from them such a long time ago. I mean, years ago. And the quality was a little bit iffy. But let me just tell you, they have improved so much with the quality of their items, and every item on their site is so inexpensive. I ended up picking out 8 items, and they range from more casual to a little bit more like dressy. There are some like outerwear, like sweater type of things, which I have no idea why I got since it's hotter than hell out. If you guys are interested in anything on the SHEIN website, use the code NicoleA15 and you will get 15% off. Keep in mind, everything will be down in the description box. I'm not sure if any of this stuff is available still, but check that description box. If it is available, I will have it linked below. Anyway, I'm not gonna keep you here any longer than I have to. Let's get into this haul. Oh yeah, just for reference, I am 5'7" and I am currently a size 18. So there's that. Okay, the first thing I picked up is this lightweight jacket, and it's like a kind of a baby blue, but a little bit more like a denim blue color, and it's so lightweight, which is great for like maybe summer nights when it's a little bit cooler. It does have a drawstring here, so it can cinch you in at the waist, and it has a silver zipper, so it does zip up. I got this in a size, what size did I get? In a 4X. I was very unsure about their sizing, and I could have just read the description where it tells you about the sizing, but I was lazy, I will admit it, so I didn't. I should have probably sized down to a 3X. I always get scared and feel like with like the Asian brands that I need to like size way up, because typically I'm a 1X. So I feel like I find that to be the case with some of the items and not so much with others. So definitely read the description. That's my one bit of advice to you. This was a 4X. I could have definitely gotten away with a 3X. Does not have any stretch at all. It does have a hood. I just thought it was super cute to throw over just a super basic outfit. Maybe some skinny jeans and a top, and you're good to go. The next item is this brown lightweight sweater. It is a waffle knit type of dealio. Comes down to a V. I got this in a size 3X. This is super stretchy, and I love the sleeves. Look at how like billowy they are, but not like over the top. And I absolutely love this color. It's like a brown, rusty kind of a color, and I just absolutely love it. Super cute, tucked into some jeans or some pants. Right now I'm wearing yoga pants, and I did do the try on portion wearing yoga pants, and I tucked it into them, but I would wear jeans with this. Once again, I feel like I probably could have gone down a size, but I like my lightweight sweaters to be a little bit oversized, so this was absolutely perfect. The next item I picked up is this red and white polka dot off the shoulder top. Once again, kind of has a little bit more of like a billowy sleeve. This is short sleeve, however, and it has elastic on the sleeves, both the top part and the bottom, which kind of helps it stay on a little bit better. Feel like, once again, this is a 3X, could have gone to a 2. It does kind of come down to a slight V-neck, I would say. It's kind of hard to tell when I'm holding it up, but I will post the try-on version, or the try-on clip. I really like it. I think this is super cute. Once again, would be really cute with some like light wash jeans and some white booties. I would totally rock this. I don't know, I just like it. Not a stretchy material at all, I will say that. But other than that, love. Okay, this is starting to get embarrassing. I will say, in my defense, I ordered this stuff like a month ago, but also a month ago it was still hot, so I have no idea why I ordered sweaters. But the next item up is a gray and black sweater. This one has this like faux like tank top thing attached to it, and it is a V-neck sweater, once again in a 3X. This one, I think I picked the perfect size. I definitely would not have sized down. If anything, I almost feel like I should have sized up, just so it could be a little bit more oversized. But the thing that really got me about this sweater is that it has this black, it's lined all the way around with this black like eyelash lace stuff. I don't know if you can see that, but I just think it's super cute. This one is definitely a thicker sweater, so for colder weather. If you guys live in an area that is a little more chilly, this would be perfect. I, however, live in California and it's hot, real hot. Like I'm sweating right now and it's 6 o'clock at night. So then I picked up this green, it's kind of a crop top. It's more of a fitted top, I would say, and shorter. I don't know if it's necessarily a crop top, but I picked this up in a 4X and it's just this like deep green with sunflowers embroidered on the front. This is definitely a lighter weight material, so although it is long sleeve, it's definitely not, I mean, it's not something I would wear out on a hot summer day, but like I said, on a summer night, this would be perfect. You can probably honestly like see through it. You can't see through it when it's on your body, but I'm saying like it's a lightweight material. I really liked the neckline. It has this like scalloped-y looking neckline along with the arms and the bottom of the top. So it has that same, I don't even know what you call it. It's not scalloped. It's almost like ruffly looking. I have no idea. You guys, I'm terrible with this, but it's so cute. I really, really, really like this top. Next up is a huge top that I got in a 4X because they didn't have any other size available, and I just really liked it. I liked the color of it. It's like this rust orange color, and it's just a giant oversized tee. I just thought it had a super like colorful front. It says cruisin' American style, Burger City, holla at your girl. That looks like me right there, just waiting to get my burger order. This I would definitely tie up like at the front just to kind of cinch in the waist a little bit, which I did do for the try on portion. I think I showed you both ways, but I love this color. They did have this also in black, white, and I think blue, but I really liked this rust color, so I picked this up. I know I've mentioned this before, but I have a sick obsession with emerald green. So when I saw this emerald green dress on the website, it was going to be mine. And it has pearls all over the front. I just thought it was kind of cute. Like, is it dressy? I don't know. Can you wear it casually with some sneakers? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. It's just kind of like that in-between dress. Not too fancy schmancy, but not too casual either. It also came with a little like tie thing. I guess maybe you could tie it around your waist if you wanted to. I did not do that for the try on portion, just so you know, but you do have that option. This is definitely like a heavy material. It is stretchy. I got this in a 3X and I would have sized down to a 2X. Next time I order from SHEIN, I'm gonna do a little more research and actually read the sizing charts. Okay, the last thing I got is the most embarrassing of them all, for the simple fact that it's a full-on winter trench coat. Once again, we're in the dead of summer. It is so hot out. So it is just this black, heavy-duty trench coat. The thing that I liked about it is the pocket area, because it's like that faux leather and then it's lined with pearls. I just really like pearls. I really want like mom jeans with like sporadic pearls, just like that green dress. So if you guys know a place that sells that plus size, I'm an 18, let me know, because I want those so badly. Like a light wash, they can be ripped up a little bit, that's fine, but I just want pearls everywhere. Let me know. So it has these like pockets on either side. There's one on this side as well. And then it did come with a tie as well. And this one has like little belt loops, so that way you can have it tied or not, but it's still like attached to the jacket. Super cute, just too darn hot. So once winter rolls around, you'll catch me wearing this boy. I did want to mention that all of the SHEIN stuff does come in these individual bags, which part of me is like, that might be a little bit wasteful, but also they are like reclosable, so these are great. I actually am going to save these for like when we go on vacation and stuff and I have wet bathing suits that I need to pack away. I think these would be absolutely perfect for that. That was it for this try on haul. I know it was only like 8 items. The next time I order, I'm hoping to order more so I can do more hauls like this, and I do have some other hauls coming up, so definitely be on the lookout for that. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. If you made it this far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out, and follow me on Instagram. I do think that is it, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.